All right, you need to be on that side, your counsel.
On this side?
Mhm. All right, what's happening with this case? Have you conferred with the state?
No, not yet, Your Honor. It was this, I'm asking about, the correctional office has filed a mental health report saying that he's mentally ill. So I wanted to have him ordered to submit to a test for whether he's competent to stand trial.
All right, have you spoken to him?
Yes, he's right here, and I told him.
Well, I mean, in speaking with him, do you think he's competent or no?
I'm sorry. Listen.
In speaking to him, do you think he's competent or not? Many people have mental health issues, but it doesn't mean that they are incompetent.
Well, I really can't tell. I can't say that I've noticed anything.
Well, have you talked to him about his case to see if he understands? Does he have a rational and factual understanding of the charges against him? Have you told him what he's charged with and the consequences of those charges? Does he understand?
Well, I don't know how much I've done on that.
All right, so if you'll speak with him and then you can approach after you talk to him.
Okay, that's good enough.
3 grizzlies,
Mhm.
5 black bear, a cub bear, a moose and her calf. That was it about the wildlife.
Ah,
Just,
but you didn't walk up to them and touch them.
I did that in Glacier.
Yeah.
There was one over a fence. And it was old and I could almost pet it. But no.
Yeah, no, I see people doing that. And it's insane for people to do that.
Glaciers, just glaciers coming right up to the road.
Oh, wow.
I saw light posts, and the light posts are 2/3 covered with stones. What the hell is that about? That's because they have so many avalanches,
Oh,
and
my
they would
God.
have knocked over the pole. So they're keeping that.
Mhm,
I said, why do we get electricity in this remote little town?
mhm,
Because it's all hydraulic water power.
mhm.
I said, collecting the rivers, because there's so many rivers.
Oh, wow.
River after river after, I mean, these are several football field size
Mhm.
wide, and it's just roaring white water coming down. But no, there's dams built up in the mountains,
Mhm.
and that's where we get the electrical. That was
Oh,
interesting.
wow. So did you ride back or no?
On the way there, I called I talked to the secretary. I said, man, I'm not sure I can make it. My back is killing me
Mhm.
between the shoulder blades. And I was asking people at the hotel, somebody please rub this lotion on me. They thought I was a creep. Nobody's gonna do it.
Yeah.
I was talking about, I want to turn back. She said, no, keep going. You've got too much invested. And then the wife got hold of it. Oh, no. And then I was talking about shipping the bike back.
Mhm.
Because you can put her on a
Yeah.
ferry and then ship
Mhm.
it back from Seattle and flying back. No, I'm already here. I can do it. I can do it. At one point, I suffered where my hand got like this,
Oh, my gosh.
and I could no longer move my fingers. Because it was almost freezing rain coming down, right? I'm going on the bike. I don't have the proper wet gear.
Mhm.
And I'm supposed to use this for the front brake,
Mhm.
and this is for the foot brake.
Mhm.
And I'm terrified that this thing froze. It never happened to me before.
Oh, my gosh.
So I had to stop. I had been buying some CBD ointment.
Mhm.
So I said, forget that. Get icy hot,
Yes.
add some salts. So I treated myself. I made it back, no problem. I did
awesome.
like 500, almost 600 miles. The last day I got up at 4 a.m. and got here at 3:30 from north of the Texas Panhandle. But I was dumb. You don't ride in the dark.
Oh, gosh, no.
You can't see the pothole, but I just wanted to get home.
Oh,
I
man.
was afraid of the heat because it was so
Mhm.
hot. I was just so many different people. I ended up staying at a homeless shelter.
Mhm.
I was in Missoula, Montana. It was like $260 for the hotel room. I said, I'm not paying that.
Mhm.
That's just a few hours. So the wife's on the phone and she got, go over to this other hotel. I went over there, got the room and said, okay. The people at the counter were tweaking.
Oh, my gosh.
And the college girls were doing cleaning rooms and I said, and then there was a lady with no legs in a wheelchair in the room next to mine. And she dropped her lighters. I picked it up for her. And then she dropped her marijuana. It's legal there. I picked it up for her. I said, I put that in your bra. It's gonna keep all the other white ladies in here. And there were guys eating in the car. What's going on? apparently the state of Montana issues vouchers for would-be homeless people to stay in hotels as long as they can show that they're somewhat working.
Mhm.
So I was staying in places with all these people. I had the best time. I bought pizzas
Mhm.
and we had a really good time.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, no, I got caught in a rainstorm right outside of Billings. I mean, it was pouring rain. But then I hit the wet gear, but it was so hard and you're on the road, you can do it. As long as there's no 18-wheelers next to you, because when they pass you,
Oh, it sucks you in.
it leaves a foam of water.
Oh, my
like
gosh.
fog, and you can't see anything. You're blinded.
Oh, my gosh. Okay.
Thanks.
Who wrote this?
Okay.
There's no room for me to sign.
I was thinking that just as we signed, that I thought you could sign right in between. Sorry,
It's like,
I know, right?
and it's all caps. You know what I learned from watching a documentary? You know how people say they can look at your handwriting and they can tell whose handwriting is? Well, according to, I guess I shouldn't say this, but according to the FBI, if you write in block letters, print. So what are you trying to say? Are you going to say this is not my writing?
My handwriting is so bad. If I don't do all caps, it is completely illegible. Couple that with a bit of palsy I have in the left hand, so I need to go to Jamaica.
You know, I would, when I was in the DA's office in synopsis, when people read my synopsis, it's in all caps. And so attorneys went to Norma and said, oh my gosh, was Judge Boyd upset because this is in all caps? And Norma was like, no, for some reason in synopsis, you can't increase the font size.
Yes.
And so I would put in all caps because it was easier for me to see. And so Norma would say, no, she wasn't upset.
Was not
It's just
yelling.
easier to see. Yes. Oh, when I would yell in emails and put in all caps, I would say, yes, I am yelling in this email. That's why it's in all caps. So I don't like confusion.
Good comment.
Okay. All right. Thank you. And if you want a copy of that, just make it in the back.
May I approach you?
Yes. Do you have the file?
I
Are you
don't,
approaching on the file?
I do not have a place.
People are not remembering the rules.
Well.
Mainly a chance.
All right. Who's here on Kerry Henderson?
I am, Your Honor.
Henderson, where is he?
Mr. Henderson's in custody.
Oh, come down. And counsel, you're on this side. All right. This is a possession less than a gram case. What's happening with this?
So Judge, there's two houses that are awaiting indictment.
All right. Excuse me, everyone. Could you please whisper?
Sorry,
Yes.
Judge. There's two cases that are awaiting indictment. He was just arrested in late May. It's a drug case. We haven't gotten the laugh back yet.
All right. And the other cases that he's waiting on, those are drug cases as well?
So it's one drug case and then one fraudulent use or possession of identifying info case.
All right. And in the drug case, do you have any idea what level felony?
So right now it's starting off as a third degree, 1-4, but
My hunch is once those labs come back, it's gonna be probably a state jail.
there's at least a chance.
All right. So Ms. Ferguson, on this case, well, before I ask her for a date, with regards to the fraudulent use, how long is it going to take you all to get information on that for defense?
I think everything's uploaded to eDiscovery. I mean, I pulled it up on our end thing. So he should have access to that as long as he's the attorney on that case.
I am the attorney on that case. It's Windcrest PD. I didn't see the prosecution guide full disclosure, so I'll go back and recheck what has been uploaded to me.
Okay, because I don't want him in jail for a long time and it's just a state jail. So I'm going to give you all a 30-day reset. But if you all have everything before then, just come back to the court and we'll put it on the docket. Okay,
Very good. Thank
we'll
you.
put it on the docket sooner. Ms. Ferguson, can I have a 30-day reset on Henderson and just do it for discovery? I'm sorry, August when? All right, so we'll be back on August 10th. And Ms. Ferguson, can you give him a reset form in case he's released?
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Is there anything else?
Nothing for the bench, Your Honor.
So one moment. All right, so we're just here for the update on the federal case.
Apparently, Your Honor, I'm speaking with the clerk. My client is still in federal custody. So the only way to handle this is, what I think you have to follow a judge's warrant or something
But
to
do
get.
we know what the charges are?
That I'm not 100% sure on, Judge.
Do we know who his federal attorney is?
I don't know that. She just walked up. She knows where he is, but
So is he in,
he's in federal custody.
has he been sentenced? Or are they just waiting for, because if they're waiting for a trial for him or something,
No, I believe he's been sentenced and he's actually serving his time. Apparently he was here, over a year ago. I was on his case at that point and I got appointed afterwards.
so do we know if he's been sentenced?
No, Judge, and I can find that out. I don't know. I'm not aware right now. That he's been sentenced federally. I do know that we made an offer that would run concurrent with any type of federal case.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, on Sean Smith, recall this for next week. So, and what I want to know is who's his federal attorney and whether or not he's actually been sentenced. Because if he's been sentenced, then we'll bench warrant him. But if he hasn't been sentenced yet, they're not going to honor any bench warrant we have.
Understood, Judge.
Okay. All right, so we'll be back on July 13th. Is that good for you, Ms. Thorne?
Unless I'm in trouble, I might possibly,
Okay,
I might possibly be in trouble, but if not, yes, ma'am.
all right, thank you.
Thank you.
Where's Ms. Ashby? All right, is there a reason she's not coming forward?
She was grabbing her purse.
Okay. All right, Ms. Ashby, are you requesting a jury trial?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, I need a jury trial date for Ms. Ashby. Who is the prosecutor on this case? That's Criminal Trial Division. All right. So Norma, I'm anticipating this is a trial that will probably last no more than 2 days. It's a drug case.
Your Honor, I have a vacation letter in like the 17th through 31st of July. As of August 1st, I'm good anytime after this works.
Just 1 second. Norma, are we able to recall it for next week?
Next week is a snag with that. I have to go to Michigan for a deposition on Thursday and Friday.
And when is your vacation?
It starts the 18th of July,
And when is it in?
or the 31st. That's what I'm saying, like August 1st, I think. That's
All right, Ms. Ferguson, jury trial in August. Excuse me, miss. 2 things. Number 1, there's no gum chewing. I would love to have gum right now, but I don't, out of respect. Number 2, there's to be no crop tops, no belly showing. We're not at the club. All right, what date, Ms. Ferguson?
thank you.
All right, your jury trial is going to be August 1st. Your plea deadline date has expired. The court will not accept any plea bargain agreements in this case without good cause. Otherwise, you have to plead open to the court. Do you understand? All right, Ms. Ferguson, if you'll give them a reset form, please.